This video will explain probe placement, wiring, and calibration of the MPP24 tension control system. Please refer to the user manual for complete instructions. Ensure the probe is rigidly mounted prior to calibration. Any movement of the probe after calibration will introduce errors. Ensure the probe is within its working range. The probe supplied by Magnetic Technologies requires a minimum distance of 4 inches from the maximum diameter to the face of the probe. Refer to this wiring diagram to ensure all connections are made properly. Feel free to pause the video here in order to review the wiring information. After all wires are properly connected, we will proceed to the system calibration. As you can see here, there are 3 items of importance in the calibration process. In the top right, you can see the spool shaft, which will support the payoff spool. On the bottom right, you can see the ultrasonic probe. And on the left side, you see the MPP24 power supply. To begin the calibration process, we will begin by resetting the Power Pro in order to clear any stored values and select operating units. This can be done by holding the up key while turning on the power. Continue holding the up key until the screen lights up and the probe powers on. Advanced mode will be displayed on the screen, and the screen will prompt unit selection. In this case, we will be selecting imperial units. Next, we will turn our attention to the ultrasonic probe. In order to trigger the teaching mode, a small piece of metal such as an Allen wrench will be used. Hold the Allen wrench against the flat for 2 seconds until the lights start blinking. First, we will teach the minimum diameter. In this case, we will use the shaft diameter. An empty spool could also be used. Next, we will teach the maximum diameter. In this case, a full spool is being used. Place the Allen wrench against the flat. The probe will blink to confirm the calibration process is complete. Now that the ultrasonic probe has been calibrated, use the left and right arrow keys to select Settings menu. Next, use the left and right arrow keys to select Ultrasonic Setup. Input the diameter used for the full spool. Use the left and right arrow keys to change the significant digit. Next, select the minimum diameter. In this case, we use the shaft diameter, which is 1.7 inches. The probe will now store calibration values. Press the Enter key to record the maximum diameter with the spool still on the shaft. Next, remove the spool and record the minimum value. Press the Enter key to store this value. Next, press Enter for 3K off. This will be used for a low impedance sensor such as the one provided. Hold the up arrow to exit to the main menu. Scroll to Ultrasonic Sensor and press Enter. Use the arrow keys to select a tension set point value. In this case, we are selecting 13.1 ounces. The system is now running and will continuously monitor diameter in order to achieve the desired tension. At any time, hold the up arrow to exit to the main menu. It is critical to select the correct model when using the ultrasonic sensor. Use the left and right arrow keys to select the brake model. Next, we will select the quantity. This will typically be 1 brake. Hold the up arrow to exit to the main menu. The system is now running. All data is stored in non-volatile memory. In the event of power loss, all data will be stored. When power is restored, the system will restart and return to its last running state.